expired date. And in 6 hours, I'll be on the plane to Oklahoma.
Good morning, Shape fans. Today, this moment right here, marks the beginning of a very special event in the history of Shape Comics, because this weekend, the Shape Comics crew is meeting up in person for the very first time. So right now, I'm about to go to the airport and pick up Violet, our colorist. I got my Shape Man tank top on. I'm ready to rock. Let's get going. Good morning, Shape Comics. Today marks the beginning of a very special event. Anthony's from California, and he just arrived on a train. So we're gonna go pick him up. Let's do it.
When you are, baby.
Stop sign. Turn right onto Sunset Avenue.
Under my eyes, can I see the sky? Is this a surprise? I know this. Having learned how not to cry.
B-roll, baby.
B-roll, baby. B-roll.
Well, well, well. If it isn't the man of the hour. Hello.
Hey.
Courtney, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Where's the park?
I don't know. He left.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Just us now
yeah.
wandering in the city.
Just two Mexicans in a place we don't know.
Yeah.
Also, this is Anthony. Beautiful Anthony.
Hello.
And we're both in Oklahoma for the first time.
Yeah.
For no reason.
No reason at all.
No reason at all.
I got here on accident. I fell asleep when I ended up.
Yeah, exactly. He was set for San Diego, but then he went all the way to Oklahoma for no reason.
Yes.
Dun, dun, dun. We might want to get out of the road.
Dude, you're real.
Yes.
You're still in the road.
Man, how was the train?
It was awesome.
Was it comfy in your
Oh yeah.
train bed?
Yeah. I fell asleep, but I woke up in Arizona,
Oh,
and then I fell asleep again, and I woke up in New Mexico. Man, New Mexico's insane.
New Mexico. I don't know if this is a parking spot, but
You don't look parked. Your ass
take my butt
hanging out.
but oh well.
You got your wagon hanging.
Oh my God, Anthony from Shape Comics is putting something in Boyd's trunk.
Whoa! Hey, get footage of that.
I got it.
Put it in stuff your
I-
trunk. Can we get coffee?
Yeah, let's go get food.
Always be plugging.
You've been successfully rendered.
Yes.
You are a real person.
Spawned. I tried to get drawing on the train. People kept wanting to talk to me about drawing.
I hate drawing.
Yeah. Oh, you draw?
Oh, you're an artist? Oh, that's so
And then they look at the
good.
book and they're like, "Oh my God, you're
Oh
actually
my
a real
God.
artist."
Oh, you
I know.
can draw, actually.
So, some people will talk like, "Oh, you're an artist," and then they'll see your art like that you're actually serious.
Yes.
They'll be like, "Oh, you're an artist."
They're like, "Oh, this looks like you like sell it." I'm like, "Yeah, I do
I
like
do. What do you
sell
think?
it."
I'm not just like doodling in my notebook like a high school
Just drawing horses.
Like a high school.
just
Like a high
drawing
school.
horses.
Like a building of a
what
high
else do you
school.
draw a lot in high school?
Can someone maps me to the highway? I never know how to get there.
I think Anthony's the co-pilot today.
Anthony, you're the co-pilot. Anthony is my co-pilot.
Oh no, he replaced me again.
Oh, there was some Amish people on the train.
Braden didn't know he was being recorded. Filling up gas, and through the corner of his eye, he sees the camera lens pointing at him mischievously. What is he to do but scream in terror? His card seems to be declining like 50 times. Shape Comics is a poor organization. Help us by spending money here.
Do it. Yeah. Cinema.
Hi. Hello.
Shape Comics. Check this out, those are great. Bias don't be late. Shape Comics. Making comics every day. What I say?